Vinyl windows are low maintenance because they don't need painted. The color lasts. They don't rot. Vinyl doesn't rot, and so you don't have the same needs to have to scrape and paint and worry about the elements like you do. Now I recommend that just like with anything, even low maintenance items, that you clean them once or twice a year. Keep the dust or the dirt off of them, and they'll look like new for a long time. But typically there's very little maintenance on a vinyl window just because it's not something that's gonna rot. Wood has the standard amount of maintenance. It's exposed to the elements, so it goes through expansion and contraction, and so the paint will stretch, and it'll need to be resealed or maintained every 5 to 8 years. The vinyl will take very little maintenance. Now that versus fiberglass, vinyl still could potentially, depending on the grade of the vinyl, it could fade at a higher rate, and it does have an expansion and contraction rate that's more significant than fiberglass is. Fiberglass is much closer to the same expansion and contraction that your glass would be, and so there isn't much of an opportunity to create gaps or warping because it expands and contracts at the same rate as the glass panel that it holds. And so practically maintenance free on fiberglass. They'll last, a good fiberglass framed window will last forever. It'll last a long time. Where eventually a vinyl framed window will fail at some point.